Hello, today we will guide you through how to remove someone from Meta Business Suite. If you need to remove a person's access from your Meta Business Suite account, this process is fairly straightforward once you know where to look. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into the correct business account and that you have permission to manage people and settings. Removing someone will take away their access to the business portfolio, including connected pages, Instagram profiles, and other business assets. To get started, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. If you're searching for it online, select the official Meta Business Suite result from the search page. Once the site opens, click Get Started to enter the platform. After you're inside Meta Business Suite, look to the left-hand menu. Scroll toward the bottom of that menu and click Settings. This area is where Meta keeps your business account controls, permissions, and user management options. In Settings, click Profiles. This section helps you manage the different users and access-related information connected to the business. From there, click People to open the list of individuals who currently have access to the account. You should now see the people associated with your business. Find and click the person you want to remove. When you select their profile, an expanded panel or side menu will appear with more details about their access and available actions. In that side panel, look for the Remove button and click it. Meta will usually display a confirmation prompt before making the change. This is an important safeguard, because once the person is removed, they will no longer be able to access the business portfolio or any linked assets through this account. When the confirmation window appears, click. Remove again to continue. You may see a final confirmation message explaining that the user will lose access to business assets such as Facebook pages, Instagram accounts, or other connected resources. Review that message carefully, then click the final Remove button to complete the process. Once confirmed, the person will be removed from your Meta Business Suite access list. It's a good idea to double-check the People section afterward to make sure the update has gone through successfully. And that's it. You've now removed someone from Meta Business Suite. If you're managing multiple users, take a moment to review the rest of your access list as well, so only the right people have access to your business assets.